Unlock productivity. How to use ChatGPT on Gmail and leave the Nokia era behind. ChatGPT is like an outdated Nokia phone because it won't let you use ChatGPT on Gmail. Here's how to become 10x more productive. Supercharge your Gmail experience with Flot.ai, your ChatGPT copilot, finely tuned for Gmail supremacy. Seamlessly leverage ChatGPT within Gmail and expand that capability to any email client, app, doc, or website, step by step. One. Reply with confidence and simplicity. Just select the text of the email, allow Flot AI to craft suitable response options for you, and send your reply effortlessly with one click. 2. Craft your reply with intention. Select the email text, specify your preferred tone and main ideas, and shape your response seamlessly. Three. Streamline your email creation. Activate the Flot AI Copilot with a quick shortcut, express your purpose, and obtain a carefully composed email in response. Four. Give your emails a personal touch. Employ Flot's personalized profile features to ensure your emails reflect your distinctive tone, level of formality, and professional circumstances. Five. Flot AI, your omnipresent ChatGPT sidekick, not limited to Gmail. Engage Flot AI's assistance through shortcuts or by selecting text, anytime and anywhere you require it. Six. Leverage ChatGPT in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and Notion. Streamline your thought process and effortlessly create titles, taglines, outlines, and content. Seven. Your on-demand translator effortlessly translate highlighted text in an extensive range of over 200 languages, compatible with any app or platform you're on. Eight. Your virtual social media manager easily create attractive posts, efficiently highlight and respond to comments promptly. Nine. Your communication partner in Slack/Teams benefit from seamless conversations with AI-enhanced replies, suitable for all chat platforms. Converse with overseas colleagues and friends as if you're a local, effortlessly. Ten. Your assistant for advanced writing. Elevate and perfect your writing to communicate your ideas with greater impact. 11. Your academic writing ally. Provide your topic and observe as ChatGPT crafts a comprehensive essay in response. Tap into the future of writing now. Try it for yourself for free.